Dikgomo Basotho, ya le dumedisang ke Tefo Moloi. I'm a film director, writer, script writer to be exact, but I also write poems. So in general, I'm a filmmaker and that's it. And I'm more interested in this Sesotho culture because I'm Mosotho and I feel like there's more to be said about Basotho, Sesotho, Lesotho and all of that, which is one of my focus areas. And in today's video, I came with something new that I once did back then, but I then like, is it worth it? And then I realized that actually I do need to continue with this. So I hope you learned something from this video and all of that. So in today's video, we will be reacting to one of Disua Kgopolo Kgolue, a famous singer. It's been it's been years, and unfortunately, and to me, I feel like he was one person who had a lot to say, and batho ba mo mamelang, they know that Kgopolo ke motho a neng e leng hore batho ba bangata ne ba tla re o na le pono kapo ke ngwana badimo hobane he would like even see something before it even happened. Pinang tsa hae o tla utlwa re ke lorile 1 2 3 and ha ke no ba part of 1 2 3 and ha wa sheba, it's true if it etsa le ka mokgwa o no. So to me, album ya hae ya Disutile Bokauta 10 it's in 2021. I feel like as a famo music listener, ke rata mmino famo ka lekala ha ke mamela ka botebo bono wa bona ke na mohlomong ona le ntho tse ke di seeding and all of that, and jwalo ka ke tseba Kgopolo o dulana le ditaba tseno tse leng hore di hodisa motho, di a montlafatsa, di metsa a better person. So yeah, o ntshitse album ena nang, and note before I enter album tsa he did mention that I would not, or I will not pass on or pass away before I reach Disutile Bokauta 10, which was the goal of this specific album. Album, and then it's a number 1 2 3 4 5. So you can count Disutile Bokauta 10, and also this is not his only album. He has multiple albums. That is currently on number 6. Differently, and so yeah, I hope that you enjoy and like and yeah, and just learn more about this family music. I mean, all the ongoing wars between these people, because I feel like some of the things they do speak about them, just that we don't take them into account. But I feel like they are also tired. Every now and then ho do down le mohlolohadi lapeng la motho kapa yona kgutsana, simply because ntate wa teng mona kene ntho tsa famo and everything didn't turn out the way it's supposed to be. So yeah, ha re kanna re qala.
There you guys come.
Let's go back. I don't know what happened. Something happened for some reason. So basically he starts off by Hoka, himself, which is something that he did pretty well, ke eng ke le Russia but before that le ke mokgwa a tlo a o rekelang Koreana ka teng, you can tell hore it's meaningful to him. Wa utlwisisa o kgona ho etsa hore be nthwane le more ha se mang le mang a ka ba ai kore a ipona le pela yona na go ikgabisa ka tsela eno no yentle eno. But let's continue.
Bane di bapala hole empa fala di lekana ka matla o bubuletsa ndota ena mosebetsi ke a o tella ke a tseba o tshaba matsose bo ka sabanna sena o no eletsa thaba,
which is something like he's comparing war with mosebetsi gore batho ba bangata they miss this thing ya gore na mosebetsi ke eng le gore na ntwa ena e leng gore ba ka ga yona ke eng. So they are similar in the sense that tsohle di dipedi ka tsona di tla etsa monna a fufulelwe ha o le ntweng ya difaqano ya le tla batana ka melamu kapo gona hona go a fa mo dithunyana. You know, you'll feel it, you play feel that tshwana le mosebetsi jwalo magare che ka nnete na mosebetsi o tela because it knows hore ha re le bangata re kgona hore re phethe mosebetsi go qete jwalo ka Sesotho se reng ja pedi ha hlolo ke sebata. So basically just referring that, so o zama ho also ho bontsha batho hore just focus on mosebetsi, leave war ntho tsa go di keke tsa tshwana le tsa mosebetsi in their own ways. But let's continue that.
kala hole di tsantwa di tlola di hakele tsudi mo mathe a tswang ka ga hano la di jwa tuka ha ke a tshalla ka le tsoni ya ke ba tla mola mutsi ya ga metsane ya go tlela batho maditseng dila tsa mosebetsi di bente le dina ro fetwa mo khola pa jidi kana di bogwe tsondi kwetse mabako empa di tsamara o tsantwa ke ze bohloko me ha tsona ka nnete ha ka le dumelletse ngwana nya gala ka le ha helle mo
facts that line on its own facts like wa bua hore at least what you get after working out, how that what you get, at least what your patches out, you know, you can earn something, salary nyana, so that you know, which is very, very, you know, because they are always and always not so good. Like the Korean street, always and always not so good. So for me, it's like it's a warning also to not even himself only, but to other people who listen and also who are involved in this wars to say, can we stop? Because clearly, you know, why can't we focus on something which is and end something crazy rather than focusing on that, whereby we always know at the end of the day someone is going to die, and that is not something that any of us are but here we are and we continuing to fight for like it's at this point I truly don't know, because yeah, it's a close again.
Pinyane ya metsetsele wo bja ba feta goma mafafanzo thamola molala ke eng selo ba wena o soga tao tsara ka segotong go na le no malanka ka mono ha didanye matlhole batho ke na le nkwamana ha e kwa o lwe ka ge le kwa o nna ya tlola dikega sentsomelle tlagisa ena ntweng le tswile lona ke tsome dihola ke tsietseng ka lebaka motho monne mong a santšhakele a ke kokote ya hae.
You know, I love this line because it clearly indicates that I am not a person at Lokalambat, you know, and people who are they can really understand what monna ha ke no suyela like o qale o sa nqala ka bo ke phumane se ke le tabeng tsa hao o se tabeng tsa ka ke tshebetse taba tsa ka lona o shebe taba tsa, because I think another thing that makes this war or erupt so much is simply because everyone is involved, you know, even people that you don't know. O tlo tla o qalwa ke motho o sa mtsebeng ka bo hona o thunya lo wala ke motho o sa mtsebeng. Taking back my point, by Leona himself, unfortunately, he was killed, and I don't know, or we don't know who that person is, you know. So, man, it's really something else. Like Ubuile and couldn't listen, but yeah.
Ka
It's like I'll only katla ho wena haeba hore mohlomong e tla re tswa, when I come back ke fihla hae and I find out hore ho nona le motho a nang batla. That's when I'll go ke tle ke ikise ha ke utlwa hore na ke eng ntho e mpatlela yona lebaka la hore o clear ka ke, so that then gives the motive to go and confront you because on qadile, even more like chaka, but we all know like the underlying metaphor is the fact that on qadile ke sa o qala, so I have to address you even rutlwana hore na mathata ke, which is I feel like a best way to handle conflict le motho, ha re kopana re bue ka ska ra etsa, because another thing to tsena tsa famo di phone too much, the internet ke le shano ke everything, whereby one singer that I once had a conversation with, he did mention that sometimes it's not even us singers who find themselves sometimes supporters, whereby they keep on promoting false narrative ka rona, and then when out of bona later whereby no mohlomong o ketseditse mokete or wherever you were o tlo bolawa, so motho ha o tsometse and didn't even know because you are just the singer, but you have a lot of supporters, a lot of followers, and a lot of people who know you that you don't know, and that means you always have to be extra careful with whatever that you're doing or that is going on at that point in time,
ala ke lwane le lona ba jana ba metsaneng ga nke tloga ka mokokwa se ba ke monana ha o ntshupe ke mommeko gothe ntshupa ha ke sietsa ba nyibile hura ke a ke sola ba nyetsa batho male ba le ba male ba ke a luileng ka leleme ha thatolowe ke nonetse ka gage ke homa ikutlwa a mateng a ke dina mona sa iwa kwa dikomme mapika odimo ke tlaba ka lentswe phokojwa dingare se tlaba empa tse mangangadi tsa kata selemo le mokotlana ka tsedimo mme tsira a le sompone go ke fokotšegile a ya ba le habile ka poletse le upedisena le sebedise di lekaneng kudi ke tlole jala matlhonne ntšhebile e senga ke go ka boa dibope wa mošanyana ge a ka ego ka mmala di bua ka dikgomo di bua ka dipudi boa e sena dina ka letsebetšitša mmena ka gabi itshepelo ka thabisa thaba ke ka gona le bonang disua e tlaba ebile e kweba.
One thing that you cannot take away from Kgopolo is the fact that he knows how he just knows how finyane that you can never think of, and it's just as simple. Then I always thought of it, I feel like something that is out of this world. You would like me and all, but someone said no, it's easy. Like it's just you speaking about something, but how you speak about it, it makes sense. Because and then this one just addresses everything nicely and not and everything. So here he's basically just saying basue ba prefera kgomo e leng hore e dinaka tjhe gobane la tseba hore ke le bollong go manaka go meriana beng ke mokgona reng. That's why you guys see me ke mokgona le bonang disua ebile ke nyehlaba ebile kweba, which is true. Like I'm that person, I'm that man e leng hore ke tshepuwe ke basue in everything that I do, and so ke tla dula ke ntse ke gore ke tshwere ka thata ka mokgwa ke tshwereng ka thata ka teng, because ke nna motho mo ntho tsenana, something like that. So yeah,
lona ke shape ke izana letsetse le lona ba shanyana ka dinokeng dipinyane a zidinya di tampana tsiri di nkalla fara ha di le maboteng di patile di ntse di ntshwara ka bosudi di le dokwana net ha ona e ka banya ta ka jalla malong ke tla tsaisana go di ha ka ya ntse ale bibi ke hale ile ba ke ya tshwara ya monwadi ya teng ya re ke wata ka la e ka e bona e matha e data le tsingile ka se ka ja e go fa mosamo ke mo tla ga ha e tloa ke mo ba ke tshwara tseleng ha o ke se ke di tla ka le na la pero o feletse ke hana ka ntshanga ba ka le fa maphoto.
That was funny. I remember the first time I heard this line, I was like, "We don't need actually." That was my question. Like, how can you think about something like this? Sorry, ke tellwa ke ditshitshidi, how obviously comparing it to a person or just an individual to say, e tla ga ke robetse e be le gore se ngatamele ga ke ka e batla tshitshidi le teng ke e batla ke e fumane e ga reng ha re ke otla ka light. So basically if I switch on the light ke bona e matha maneneng e re lo hlwa mosamo ke fihle ke pinye fela kang ka lenala e be itshweletse. So basically I think another thing that he was trying to say is the fact that I don't care about dintho tse sa nketsetseng molemo. I feel like that's how I also understood it even the first time, to say, you know what, dintho tse nyane tse bo ka ba tshitshidi, tse leng gore their aim is to come suck me up or to come and di tlo nketsetsa gore bophelo ba ka bo be a bit difficult. Ha se ntho tse ke ba re shang ka tsona, ke penya fela ka lenala, and that's it, ho fedile, and then we continue. Because if I let that thing even to a kgolo in my life, then I hardly will be able to pass through that stage or anything. So I feel like one need in a sense.
Yetla ke tsoso ka di tedi tso tshwana ke di buta di tsa be ke di feta mona di tsubi ha ke le tsotelle ka.
Oh, okay, yeah, this is one thing that makes me laugh when I listen to Hopolo. He has this thing of, I don't know if go been identified for some time, or Leon as a person, I mean, he's old, which I agree, but there's a certain way that he likes to address Dilemma or how old he is. Like, it'll make you feel small. I'm old, and sometimes you're like, that's where like uthola dikelello, how do you tell them, like, for me also I used to hang out with older people, and what I love about it is because ke kgona ho ithuta more, ka bophelo and everything. So I didn't say like I try to like I always shave mine, ntse di ke se di kana di ke na lo sheba, maybe ke na lo bona dinepe tsa ke yeah ke di bone se di putswanyana ke I'll give you credit for that one. It's a pass, but yeah, he's just that person who makes sure ha bua ka ena ha nyenyefatse at all. Like, he has so much respect for himself and so much respect for his art that you can't even dare to touch it. Done and dusted. One thing, if you know about Kopolo, he always had that mentality of panda, which is, to hustle and make sure that I have money. Like he'll say, I don't work a 9-to-5 job, but I'll make sure that I eat kids, my family and myself, which is something, even after his death, or even like during that, like I saw everyone was like, yeah, or whatever, which for me, it truly proves everything that he's speaking about. Like, one thing that I love, what's going on and what's not going on. So when he's speaking towards them, and I feel like the whole world noticed, because everything on the funeral went even way beyond what we expected. One would think or someone of that caliber. Unfortunately, in a musician, but yeah, things went by. So that's why I try, even if I don't have anything in me, but I'll make sure to like in animal, because so to re sebedisa ka hore re chase and re tla be re tlotsitse ka ntho tse re tlotsitseng ka tsona, and then which is, and then we bua lona. So basically also just indicating the fact that nka tswa without having money, but once if ke na le thupa tsa ka tsa meriana and stick of matches, I'm good to go. Like I'm that safe. I know hore I can definitely make it back with something ka letsohong, you know, which is something that is really inspiring to see. So yeah, sorry, see us fela. But anyway, so I hope you got to understand or now how do these people sort of like construct these narratives, you know, especially for Khopolo. I feel like I favor people who don't swear, like you know, why should we do that? And for years it be the motho ana bontshitseng hore ha o tlo mamela cassette ya hae, there's no ha ona mo tloreng skip pina eno no ye ditlhapa re tlole, no. Like the whole album caters for every individual. Ngwana nkgono ena o mametse pina o album ya Khopolo, you know that ha no thola mahlapa matala o tlo itholla pina e monate, o tlo itholla you know, sometimes you know kenya his jokes that, you know, I'm gonna laugh, I'm gonna be a better person maybe after listening to this. Okay, to understand. So that's why Leonard Honey ha sa nkile nako a sa ntshe jwale ina lo kwata le nna yo ka pele morena re batla o utlwa le polilo la le monsena na gore na kenya, and he would take his time. Like I don't know cassette tse ngata within a year, no, like one album is fine. O bona gore kile nako gore le ha ba ne ba re mohlomong pelo e bohloko at that point, let's say maybe something happened or someone mo bakile or whatever the case may be, yena na ke na ne le motho a neng e leng gore wa tseba when to take a break, o lo itekola, o go, you know, have fun, connect with your family, try by all means gore ha o ya studio ha o ye ka pele e ntse tletse matitetse le mo mohlomong o tlo fihla o sontso batla o ka se fela o se isa kwana ka tlhapa che ha fihla mo o tlo fihla o binela exactly, you know, pure, very nice and without complicating things, you know, which is something that I really appreciate about. So I hope you understood, got to learn, and actually love this whole process. We will be doing videos like this, you know, whereby we react to different artists. So I don't know which artist should I do next, but if you do know, you can comment their name and then what do they have to say, or you know. So yeah, and also don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. I do have a podcast that is currently running on this channel, Kemrala Famo Podcast, which I aim to call or invite all Famo artists across every mahot and everything, just to hear their stories. I feel like they do want to speak out, but there's no platform for them to do so. So that platform is definitely the one where we can sit down and actually really cool, you know, Basotho banna mostly, I know na le bo mefa mo, but banna to say what can we do, because bomme ha ba bolayane, but yo but so what can we do to solve, or what's your stay, how can we, because I feel like 15 years or 10 years or 5 years from now there should be a difference among music wa rona, you know, there should be much more respect that is put music in wa rona, and matjhabang a mang a kgona ho mamela, because music car, there's always these narratives that, hey, you can't listen to this guy, and if that's the case, then even the artists themselves are gain anything from that. At least now we can access things from social media, but that is still something, because freely everywhere, radio and everywhere, wherever, but now we currently can't do that because of that. So let's fix that and we fix ourselves. Ke se ke lebohile dikgomo tseo le mane a tsona.